What is up, you guys? Today we got a new package in. Finally another video from me. Sorry for the noise in the background. That's my water heater for the RV. You might hear the actual heater kick on and off a few times. But let's jump right into this and see what we got for you guys today. So we open it up. It's not very nice packaging, but we got this nice little black case. Kind of heavy. It's got quite a bit of stuff in there. And then we got the GoPro Hero 7 in white. This packaging looks really beat up. Now I spent almost $400 on this thing, so better be worth it. And a 64 gig memory card. That's all that comes in the box. I'm not really sure what that is. Don't really care. Oh, cleaning cloth. So before we open up this GoPro, we're going to get into this little case that I got with it. So we'll open this up right here. Slide it out. Flip to flip. Unzip. Alright, we got a lot of stuff in here. So we got a bunch of these little... What are these? Maybe if I can get this little baggie open. Looks like little holders with some adhesive. So in case you want to stick it on something. Then right here, we got a windshield mount. Oh, I see what this is for. This connects to the back of the GoPro. So you can slide it onto that and hold it. So it looks like we got a little windshield mount, which would come in great for this weekend. Because we are taking the new RV out camping. If you don't know anything about that, go down in the description below and I'll leave a link to our RV remodel channel. And we just bought a brand new RV, so go check that out. And then inside this little baggie, we got more junk we probably don't need. Looks like we got a little armband that you strap onto it so you don't lose it. An armband with adhesive on it so we don't lose it again, I guess. Don't really know what all these are, but we got them! Leave those all right there. What in the world is this? I'm not even going to open this because I don't know what it is. Looks like it came with a little tripod for it with adjustable feet. Nice, very nice. Looks like it came with a bobber in case you go swimming with it. You don't want to lose it. I don't know. I think I got the one with the dog strap so you could strap it along your dog. No, this one's your chest. So you could strap it to your chest and record what's in front of you. Another armband. Got tons of these armbands. And then what's in this one? This one is your head mount. So you can mount the camera right there, stick this on your head or your hat, hard hat, whatever, and record from first point of view. A little case to carry it in. And a selfie stick. Alright, what's in this little baggie? Maybe if I can get this little thingy open. Not too sure what this one is, but it's another holder. Let's see, open this one up right here. These little bags are hard to open. Got you a little clip. So you can clip it on something. You can record from anywhere. What is this one? This looks like an armband of some sort. So you could strap it onto your arm. And it looks like we got more of these attachments. And not sure what that is. We got our 64 gig SanDisk memory. Hopefully this is plenty of storage for this thing. I don't really know how much I'm going to be using it. So right here in the front, you see it's 10 megapixels, 1080p at 60 hertz, 33-foot water resistance, GoPro Hero in white. Shows you what it comes with. A couple little things. You can control this from your phone. I did not know that. That will come very handy. And then back here again, you can talk to it apparently. Slow-mo. You got a touch screen, 33-foot water resistancy, and some disclaimers. So right here's where you open it. So you'll just pull this little tab, flip this side, and then pull it out. Maybe. Some pretty neat packaging. So right here, it tells you how to pull the GoPro out. You lift the tab, squeeze the tabs, and then it slides right out. But we're not going to pull that off just yet. Right here gives you a little warranty guide, I guess. No, this is a user manual. Shows you how to use it, kind of. Have any questions? If you have any questions, you can reach out to them. Couple GoPro stickers, which I might stick on the Tahoe. If you guys don't know anything about the Tahoe, down in the description, there's a link to an OnlyFans, and that'll send you to my Tahoe build. And then your disclaimers. So we open up this first little flap. We got a USB-C and USB-A cable to charge it, and I guess extract data. Got a couple more adapters to hold it. It's under the second one. Why would they put this if there's nothing under there? Good old useless packaging. So flip this tab up, squeeze these tabs in, and it slides right out. So you can unscrew this right here. I guess they gave me so many of these because you're going to be unscrewing this a lot to change your adapters, and you're going to lose some. That just slides right out. So you can lift this flap somehow, some sort, maybe push it back. I don't know. I don't want to break it, but I got to. So that opens up. That exposes your GoPro itself. I guess this is just a little bump case. Got a little screen protector on it right here. What does that do? And that exposes the GoPro screen. Right here's the power button on the right side. Do we gotta hold it? Alright, so I figured this out. You just push it down and it opens up your USB-C and your micro SD slot. I don't think that one opens at all. But whenever you first start it up, it's going to ask your language, and the background does show whatever you're pointing at. So we'll hit OK. Legal stuff will agree to it. And I'll have to come back to that. But while we're in this position, we'll go ahead and put the SD card in here. If I can get these SD card open, because you know these things are hard to open. Maybe if you got an iPhone, you really don't know what these things are. Android users, you know what these things are like crazy. So we got the SD card exposed. Slide that in like so. Man, can't get that little thing in there. Okay, I got it in there. Connecting your camera to the GoPro app lets you easily transfer, edit, and share your media. We'll go ahead and skip that. It's asking for today's date, which today is April... What is today? April 15th. Of 21, and the time is currently 5:27. I'll go ahead and set this up a minute or two early. So tap the buttons on your screen to get to know your camera. So let's see what this little reverse button does. Captures 15-second clips for easy sharing, changes 30 seconds in preferences. Slow-mo, caption the action, then replay in slow motion in real time, and then you got zoom. Go ahead and format the SD card, because what is going on here? That is insane. This got... Oh, never mind. That's the SD card. Okay, let's open this little door up again. Oh, hold on. We got voice control, general, power, the sound. GoPro. Capture. Hey GoPro. Capture. Pretty cool. Looks like it takes pretty decent pictures. I'll show it to you right here. So, this is an overview of the GoPro Hero 7 in white. If you guys like the video, don't forget to like the video, comment down below, let me know what you guys think of it, if you guys have one, and any other features that I could dig deeper into this thing. This is my first GoPro. I haven't really messed with them, so we'll see how this thing goes, and hopefully a lot more videos will be coming out soon. Just been busy with a lot of stuff. You can really see it in my other videos in my RV channel if you go down in the description. Until then, you guys have a good